Hey, what's up, everyone? So, today is Monday, the 19th of September, halfway through the month. This is essentially my second trading week of September because I had a little bit of a break at the beginning of September, well, a much needed and well earned break, I do say myself. And today I thought was going to be a red day. It ends up being a green day, but a good green day. So we're not only are we green, but we're over goal. So we finished today $6,223 in gross profit on the day. We traded 7 stocks. So it was quite a busy day, but it wasn't an easy day to trade. So early, both pre-market and the first hour and a half of the market open, it was difficult to find things to trade. I traded BCAN, which was one ticker, and that's Beyond Canasoft, and that went against me. So I ended up being $5,000 down on that, just under $5,000 down on that. And then everything I touched after that seemed to be either faking me out or just going against me in one way or the other. It seemed like I had the Midas touch in reverse, as it were. So everything I had just didn't go my way. Then I traded in. I moved away from the small cap stocks and went to the mid and high cap stocks based on the S&P 500 index was moving up quite well. It was having a bit of a rally. So I moved to them. I traded Nvidia, got green on Nvidia. I traded AMD and then lost what I'd made on Nvidia and a little bit besides. So kind of tit for tat. Went away, came back a little bit later. I traded Purple, made a little bit on Purple Innovation, and then there was nothing moving. I was patiently waiting for something, anything, to set up. And this is why I say take A+ setups only. Be patient, and patience is an absolute weapon when it comes to day trading. If you can be patient, and you only need one stock per day, but if you can be patient enough to wait for that one stock, that's all you're going to need. And today the stock was Ventu CCM Acquisition Group. So we got on that. It moved up, it hit the scanners, and I saw it moved up, waited for a pullback on the higher time frame, on the 5-minute time frame, and then we entered the position and we got a $3 move, three whole dollars. So we finished the day on Ventu over $10,000 up on the ticker. Now, to be fair, we were $13,000 up on the ticker at one stage, so we did give a little bit back off the top, but $10,000 covered the drawdown that we got ourselves into, and it made us $6,000 up on the day. So we finished above goal, we finished profitable, and I'll go into I'll talk a little bit about why I lost money on Beyond Canasoft, and I'll talk about the trade where we made money on Ventu CCM. So enjoy what I did do is I didn't record all of the Ventu CCM trade, but I recorded the back end of it. So I'll let you watch that as a trade replay. But I'll go through the details first, and we can take it from there. So at first we traded Beyond Canasoft. So BCAN is the ticker. Now we traded this pre-market on this move up here, and I'll just talk you through on the 5-minute quickly. This moved up, we took a position and we took some profits, and we were about $500 up at this stage. So we missed the majority of this move up, but as it went to break $20, we entered again, and it moved up, pulled back, and we'd lost. As it pulled back here, that's when we lost it. And the spreads were quite big as well on this. So it pulled back, and with 2,500 shares, and it was nearly $2 that we lost on this flush down. So that put us 4,900 down on beyond Canasoft, and after that it was just difficult for me to trade. I mean, we traded AMD, we traded Alacos, we traded Nvidia, we got green on Nvidia. We actually lost on Purple Innovation to start off with. That was pre-market. We were about $150 down. And then we got in here. So we got this move up, and we got in here and we were able to make some money back on this move up here. We did get stopped out on this move, but when it started to make its move back up again, we got back in, and I made a little bit more profit there. We've got an M pattern, if you will, so a double top here. So when it flushed, we weren't in the position. We exited as we got a new candle to make a new low here. So we exited the position there. We didn't trade that anymore, so we got out and made $600 in total on that one. So not bad, but it was VON2 CCM where we made the majority of our money. So on the higher time frame, on the 5-minute time frame, and I'll show you on the 1-minute time frame as well, we had this move up here, and it's on the scanners, hits the scanners, and we get the pullback. And then we entered on this pullback, and we rode it all the way up to $10. I think our highest exit was 10.01. Our highest transaction was 10.01. We got out here up at the top, and as it pulled back, started to make highs again. We entered here on the move back up. It went against us here, and we ended up giving back nearly $3,000 on this move here. So we got in up here, and we gave back $3,000. So that was me done for the day. We're up 13. When we finished our last position here, we were up something like $13,000. And then this little loss here gave back the free. So we finished on just under $11,000 on VON2. But that was essentially what we did. Now, if I just switch the time frame over, you can see what that transpired as. And I'll show you the trade. So we move up, we got the pull back, and we got in here as it started to move up. We traded this up as it pulled back, we're out, and then we get back in here and it starts to move up, and we ride it all the way up. So taking profits along the way, lots of transactions. So, you know, the broker will be happy with the commissions that we've racked up. But yeah, it wasn't easy. The spreads were very rangy. And when I say that, at one point they were like 1 or 2 cents, which is not bad at all. And they're as wide as 30 cents. So the volatility on the bid was huge, but it gradually, it was just moving quite steadily on the ask. So it wasn't an easy stock to trade, but it worked out for us in the end, and was profitable. So yeah, it was a good green day. We're over goal. And before I give you the back end of the trade replay for VON2, hit the thumbs up button on this video. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And I will be back at it again pre-market tomorrow. So 90 minutes before the market opens, 8 a.m. if you're on the East Coast, or that's market time, 8 a.m. on the East Coast of the US. It's 1 p.m. here in Dublin, Ireland, and it will be 1 p.m. in the UK as well, but 2 p.m. on the continent of Europe. If you're living anywhere else, if you're watching from anywhere else, Google is your friend. I'm not the talking clock, so work it out for yourself. I hope to see you there 90 minutes before the market opens. Enjoy the trade recap, or replay even. Go. 30% trailing stop. See how far we can get out of this. $9.50 net. A little slow to that, mounted in at 8. Well, there you go. Gonna break highs again. Looking likely. Current high 927. There we go. That broke highs. There we go. Here we go. Break even. Right, well, 13. We're making progress. Don't like that upwick, but we're making progress. Take it anyway. See, can we break $10? 25 cents on the spread there for a second. Looking for $10. First candle to break a new low is our exit. The 40. How's my day going, Terry? I'm having a good day in the end. Just in on Ben2 CCM right now. Gone in a little bit smaller. I've been going in a bit 5,000 lots on the way up, but it's kind of approaching a double top here. And if I look at the daily, it's there's not much going on above kind of 10-12, 10-20. So we're really up at the fairly extended now. Good stuff, Terry. You got it. You like to see it. When people start coming on the chat and they start coming on the stream saying, I've got green today, I've had a good green day, you like to see it, you really do. I mean, obviously I like to get green myself, but I like to see when other people are taking money out of the market as well. It really gives me a boost. Yeah. That was a bit of a sudden flush. Will we get a bounce? Looks like we're going to get a bounce. Let's see. Breaks 9, I've got to get out. Well, look. Just gave back 2k off the top, or 3k off the top, whatever it was on that one, that flush. But we'll see.